very quickly, help us understand, if a complainant changes the stance and files a compromise affidavit naming a different driver, how should now the legal system respond? I mean, is the battle already lost, like DGP Jain said in the beginning?
No, I think the first thing, it's not the prerogative of the complainant to initiate the criminal system or not. Complainant's prerogative come only when the matter has to be compromised. That can be like compoundable or like plead guilty kind of a thing. But at the first stage, if this choice or option is given to the complainant, whether he wishes to go ahead with the complaint or not, then the criminal system can never work at all. It is always the state which is responsible for the law and order of the state. So it is the responsibility and it is the duty of the state to take it forward. Any complaint which is being lodged. And as everybody knows, when a criminal complaint is filed, it is always in the name of the state. It is not by the complainant versus the accused. So the complainant is the state in this matter. So complainant saying that I have compromised, that compromise is possible only once the case has been registered against a particular accused, and then the state and then a compromise is filed before the police or before the court that we want to settle it. Only then the matter can be settled. But because I'll just give you an example. If say one brother kills another brother, kills or causes any harm to another brother, and then their mother says or the father says that we don't want any case against our second son, that is not possible. Then because most of the crimes are happening within the family, the husband, wife, or the brother, sister. So nobody would like
got to be punished. Somebody's got to be punished.
Would like his brother or his husband to go to the police. A father committing rape upon the daughter. So
what a weird situation we're in. What a weird situation we're in. And this case, it seems like, is already over before it could even begin. I mean, the question isn't about horsepower here. It's now about accountability. And this is where we're stuck with. This is what we're stuck with. Evidence surfaces in real time, but responsibility and accountability come day later. Many thanks to all of you for joining us here on this quick discussion. We'll leave you with this.